Today we're installing this auto light switch on my MK6 Jetta. So I ordered my switch online from eBay, and it came with the switch, some zip ties, another faceplate for the switch, don't know why, and I also got some fuses. So tools you're going to need for the job is a trim tool, but I don't have one on hand, so we're going to use this butter knife. I mean, don't judge me, you're not supposed to, but I know, but whatever, we'll talk about that in a second. So the first thing we're going to do is remove the side panel and this fuse box cover. So we're going to get our tool here and we're going to pry this off. And with the fuse box cover, there's going to be like a little handle right under here. So what you can do is take a nice grab on it and yank it, or don't yank it, but you know, pull it, and it should come right off. So now that we look at the switch, what you're going to do in order to remove it is push in the knob, turn to the right, and slide it right out. The next thing, there's going to be two clips holding in the wiring. So what you're going to do is just press those guys in and just pull out the wiring. Now that your old switch is removed, you're going to take the new switch. Mine's already came with the wire attached to it, along with the, I guess, the auto light module. So what we're going to do is actually slide that bit into there. Just going to come to the back here and pull it out. Doop, 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 doop. There you go. And the next thing we're going to do is we're going to connect it to the wiring. It should only go in one way though. Now that we have it all wired up, we're just going to test it real quick. Make sure that everything's turning on. Let's go out to the front. Light is on there. That's good. Alright, so I guess the next step is to mount the sensor. We're going to mount it right about here and just tuck the wire down and clean everything up on the inside over here. We have the wiring here. Just gonna untie that. Alright, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna grab your sensor. At the bottom of it there should be like a 3M adhesive. Boom, 3M. We're going to mount it right about there. Remove the adhesive backing on it and then stick it into position. Alright, so now that we have a place where I want it to be placed, probably going to put a little bit more to the side. We're just going to try to hide this wire real quick by getting your tool that we had earlier. So we're just going to tuck that back there.
Eventually.
Alright, so now that I have the wire tucked away, I probably could have done a better job. For right now, let's get this wiring and tuck it away. So now that it's all zip tied away, first thing we're going to do is just put back on our fuse cover. Cool. Now we're going to get the side cover panel and we're just going to put that back into place here. It also kind of hooks in there, and that's a pressure clip. Now that we have the car on and the switch installed, I set it to auto just to see how the lights would work. The packaging said that it was already pre-programmed, so with it uncovered, the running light should be on. Boom, running lights. That's good, that's good. Let's use our wonderful GDM Chipotle bag and cover this up. There you go. Alright, so now the sensor should be fully covered. This is beautiful. Alright, cool. So I hope you guys learned a few things. Gonna have some new videos coming through. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Links will be in the description below.